Good evening, everyone. This is Henry Gambell with simplertrading.com, and in tonight's free video, I'm starting off with MCD. MCD has been incredibly strong during this most recent decline, and it's an interesting example of showing symmetry, or just the idea that if a correction has come through a previous swing high to swing low, and that's all we've gone through now, well then this is just a continuation of that pattern. Now this work will offer several different levels, and there's a couple different ways to confirm the ones that you like the best. But if you look at the idea that, okay, that's holding bullish symmetry, and it's also holding the zone of the 8 and the 21. Traders will all use moving averages a little bit differently, but I think that these work well for the momentum trade and then just the trend-based trade a little bit lower. And when you can come down and hold to it, especially through the correction we've gone through with everything else, this holds exactly where it needs to, resumes the trend up higher, and if you're seeing more strength next week, I think that's good for a play into a new lifetime high. Then you have the extension at 223.63. So that's one that you might consider a short-term swing trade in. Also, Starbucks, I'd be trading the same way. This one has smaller time frame squeezes, but generally the same situation, where the momentum of these moving averages, kind of the zone that you create off of them, continues to be supported well. And if we're looking for names that have been holding up well inside the correction the indexes have seen, this is a great one. I think you get above 97.16, and then you could use the old high and the extension as two primary targets. So those are two that I'll be looking at Monday morning to see how they open up, and I hope they give you some helpful trade ideas. Have a good weekend, and we'll see you at the next free video.